Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are an active LinkedIn user, you might want to keep track of your activity. Things like posts you have liked, comments you have made, or even articles you have shared. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to see your activity on LinkedIn right from your iPhone. Now let's jump into it. First of all, find the LinkedIn app on your iPhone. Now click on it. Once you are on your profile page, you can see your profile icon. Now tap on it. Now tap onto your name. Keep on scrolling down until you find the option Activity right here. Now click on to Show All Activity. Now everything you have posted and everything you have did will appear here. As I haven't made any post yet, so it is empty. This is how you see your activities on your profile. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to see your activity on LinkedIn using your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.